how to add comments to PDF. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you best way that you can add comments or tags in PDF. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. The first, you need to just open your folder where you have PDF file. So in my case I have PDF file here in download folder. So I just select that PDF file and right click on it and open with Adobe Reader. Okay, so this is by default software, or if your PDF file not directly open in Adobe Reader, just right click on it, just go to the open with select the Adobe Reader, or you go to the choose another apps and go to the more app, and here you can find your Adobe Reader. In my case I have already using this app, so it's come up. Okay, if you don't have Adobe Reader, you can download or from Microsoft Store. Okay, just use this Microsoft Store to download that PDF. Okay, I just opened that. Okay, here go to the edit, click here in edit. From here you can add the text, simply add the text from here. After add, you can change the text color or size from here. Okay, this is for adding text. If you want to add comments as a text, you can add. Okay, and here you can see the option called comments at the top. Just click on it, and under the annotations you can see this comments option, sticky note. Just click on it and place where you want. Okay, double click on it and you can write your note. Okay, after you done, just minimize, so someone make add over the cursor, you can see the comments will be highlights. And here you can see the lots of things, like you can highlight the text like this. Okay, you can write the text. Okay, you can write the text like this. This is an attachment. If you want to attach anything, you can attach from here. This is record audio, you can upload. This is like stamp upload or this or whatever. Okay, this is the symbol of. Okay, you just double click on write your comments. Same as you can make cross the word like this. You can make the green, the you can insert the green line below the text, and there is a two option you can use. Okay, after you done, just save it. It will be saved. You need to just save it with new file, just rename it and save it. Just find that option. This is a file which we have, where we have add the comments, you can see. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.